Hello trainee. Welcome to the AutoVRse Virtual Reality Training Simulator. Let's get started by teaching you how to use the controllers on your hand. The grip buttons help you make a fist, and pick up virtual objects and manipulate them. Use your middle finger to press them. The trigger buttons help you interact with virtual objects and screens. Use your index finger to press them now. The A, B, X and Y buttons can be pressed to view your controllers at any point. Press them now. The joystick can be used to scroll through screens and move around this virtual environment. Move the joystick around and see how it feels. Great. Looks like you're comfortable with the controls now. Press any of the A, B, X, or Y buttons to toggle controller visibility. You're now ready to interact with screens in VR. Point the laser pointer at the button on the screen, and then, press the trigger button to click on Confirm. Great work! Now, let's teach you how to walk around this virtual space. Move the joystick forward, select the spot you want to teleport to, and then, release the joystick to instantly move there. You can also change the direction in which you are facing, by rotating the joystick. Go ahead, and try it out by moving to that blue spot. Excellent. Let's do this a few more times. Move to the next blue spot. You're getting pretty good at this. 2 more to go. Great. That's the last one. Great job. If you feel comfortable, you can also use an alternate method of moving around called smooth movement. Simply move the joystick forward or backward to move. Now, move to the next few blue spots using smooth movement. Great. That's the last one. Excellent. Now, let's introduce you to the training dashboard. The dashboard will display all instructions relevant to your lessons. It will also guide you through all the impending training modules. Simply treat the dashboard like a real-world tablet, and use your index finger to push the Confirm button. You can choose your preferred type of movement in the Settings tab, to the right of the dashboard. Reach out, and touch it with your index finger to open the Settings menu. By default, the preferred movement is set to teleportation. Press the arrow button to change it to smooth movement, or, if you are comfortable with the current mode, press the tab again to close the settings menu and proceed with the tutorial. The dashboard is your guide, and will follow you wherever you go. If you think it's getting in your way, you can move it around, and place it in a location of your choice. Reach out with your hands, and press the grip button on your controller to move the dashboard. Great. Now that you've understood how the dashboard works, let's begin interacting with virtual objects. Click Confirm to proceed. Move to the blue spot in front of the first workstation, to get started. Move the joystick forward or backward to use smooth movement. Great. You're all set to begin interacting with virtual objects. Let's start off with the buttons in front of you. Press the button near the blue light by reaching out, and then, pushing it with your index finger. Great work. Now, press the buttons in the exact order in which they light up. Great work. Now, let's move to the next station. Excellent. Now, let's teach you how to operate these levers. Reach out, and use the grip button to grab the first lever. Then, while holding the grip button pressed, pull the lever toward you till the light turns green. Well done. Some levers are harder to pull than others. For these, try moving the controllers very slowly. Reach out, and pull the second lever toward you, slowly, till the light turns green. Good job. This final lever here is very hard to pull, so make sure you move it extra slowly. Reach out and use the grip button to grab the lever. While holding the grip button pressed, pull the. Excellent work. Now, practice your new skills by pulling all 3 levers within 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Well done. You've really got the hang of this. Now, let's move to the next station. Use the joystick on the controllers to move to the blue. Now, let's teach you how to operate these valves. Reach out with any hand, and then, use the grip button on that controller to grab the first valve. While holding the grip button pressed, slowly rotate the valve till the light turns green. Well done. Now, this valve is larger, so make sure you use both hands to rotate it. While holding the grip button pressed, slowly rotate the valve till the light turns green. Great. Now, this final valve is a little different. Reach out, grab the handle, and then, slowly pull it toward you till the light turns green. Excellent work. Now, let's see you rotate all 3 valves in just 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of working in virtual reality. You are now ready for more advanced training. Click Confirm to leave this space, and begin your training.
Hello. You are at the AutoVRse training facility for fire safety and emergency response, at an autonomous LNG plant. To your right is the training dashboard. As explained earlier, this is where you get all the updates on your performance and progress. By default, the dashboard is to your right-hand side. To move it to another spot, reach out with your controller, press the grip button and drag it along. Great. Now that you're comfortable with that, click the Confirm button on the dashboard, point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press the trigger on your controller. Excellent. We will now run through the primary objectives of this training exercise. Now, your primary objectives here are fourfold. 1. To gain a thorough understanding of basic firefighting equipment, specifically, hoses, fire water monitors and SCBAs. To move to the next page, point the laser pointer at the highlighted Next button, and press the trigger on your controller. 2. To learn to identify the different types of fires, and their respective containment methods. To move to the next page, point the laser pointer at the highlighted Next button, and press the trigger on your controller. 3. To thoroughly study and understand the various pre-incident plans designed for this LNG plant. To move to the next page, point the laser pointer at the highlighted Next button, and press the trigger on your controller. And finally, even the best laid plans can encounter unexpected setbacks. The final objective here is to enable you to respond and adapt correctly to such unforeseen incidents. So, Now that you've understood the objectives of this exercise, please click on Confirm to proceed. Point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press the trigger on your controller. You are currently at the Central Training Hub. This is where you can view your study plan and personalized goals, launch a new training lesson. Point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press the trigger on your controller. As you look at the round table, you will see an aerial blueprint of the LNG plant. This view gives you a thorough understanding of the point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press the trigger on your controller. Point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press the trigger on your controller. Point the laser pointer at the highlighted Confirm button, and press. Great. Finally, as you complete your lessons one by one, you can keep an eye on how far you've come by checking your progress report. If you're all great, looks like you're all set to start off on a lesson. Now, to select an option from the lessons board, click on that specific lesson on the list.